Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to clean and decorate my office for Christmas. But first we have to do a speed clean because, oh my gosh, you guys, my office is dirty. Let's get this place cleaned up, shall we? Because I have a migraine, I'm just using a microfiber cloth that's barely damp and just wiping things down. I'm not using any cleaning products at all.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.
At first, I was just going to add the colored lights on top of the white lights, but then I decided the white lights were just too burnt out, and I'm not a huge fan anyway, so I cut all the white lights out of the tree. This is a pre-lit tree, so I just cut the wires underneath of the bulb, and then that allowed me to pull the wires out of the clips, made it super easy to just remove the white lights entirely.
In my little prison shop,
I'm going to add 2 strands of 100 lights each to the tree before I add the ornaments. 1 strand inside and then 1 strand around the outside, and then I'll begin adding my ornaments to the Christmas tree.
when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on.
I hang the garland using 3M command hooks, and I'm making sure that the swag on either side is the same and the amount hanging down straight on either side is the same, and then I will fluff the garland up a little bit, and then I'll start adding ornaments.
Yes, from this Christmas.
You guys know I love symmetry, and I think it's especially important on something like a garland on a fireplace. So what I'm doing is adding the same bulbs on either side and checking to make sure that they're hung in the same location. And I'm also making sure that I'm working front to back and top to bottom of the garland, so the garland is nice and full and has a lot of dimension to it.
On this Christmas song, from this Christmas song, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas song.
And now I'm done decorating. I have glitter and boxes everywhere, so we're gonna do another tidy up real quick before I show you the finished product.
What you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talk for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd find something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
You guys, just so you know, I will tidy up the wires and the plug-ins for both the fireplace and the Christmas tree, but I need to pick up some timers for that. So ignore those in this video right now. It will be rectified shortly.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be.
And here's how my office looks now, clean and decorated, a far cry from where we started. And look how pretty everything turned out.
and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun.
I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you like my office as much as I do. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon.